Obesity is actually a multifactorial disease. It consists of genetics, it consists of eating habits, it consists of physical activity. People had hardly any food to eat. It is not only affecting the middle aged people, Allurion gastric balloon, which gives you a guaranteed weight loss of at least 10 to 15%. We don't need any anesthesia. We don't need any hospital admission. There are no cuts on the body. We just ensure that this is in the stomach. So if you take, say, 150 to 200 ml more, we get a wholesome weight loss. Hello, friends. Today I am going to talk about obesity. Well, every second person is talking about obesity. So, what new I am going to offer to you? Obesity is actually a multifactorial disease. Although the word is very small, but to find out the exact cause for obesity or exact definition for obesity is extremely difficult. It consists of genetics, it consists of eating habits, it consists of physical activity, it consists of mental health, it even includes sleeping orders and a plenty of more factors. There are so many diseases which occur due to obesity, and there are so many diseases which lead to obesity. So people wonder that what exactly happened from a country which was starving around half a century ago. People had hardly any food to eat. Today, we have an epidemic of obesity. Can you believe that? Yes, we have an epidemic of obesity in India. It is not only affecting the middle aged people, it is not only affecting the elderly people, there is a swarm of obese children in the schools, right from even junior classes. We find that at least 20 to 30% of children are obese. So we are not going to be discussing the causes for that, but today we are going to discuss about a newer, a revolutionary method which has come up and has shown extremely successful results. Allurion gastric balloon. Believe me, in the field of obesity, if something really new, something really exciting has happened in recent times, then this is Allurion gastric balloon. This is a non-surgical method. Yes, you heard it right. This is a non-surgical method which gives you a guaranteed weight loss of at least 10 to 15% and over a period of 12 to 16 weeks. And believe me, this is not a magic potion, or this is just not a tall claim. We have put this balloon in hundreds of patients, and in all of them, virtually all of them, the results were extremely satisfactory, and in a few of them, they were more than satisfactory. And now, if you still don't believe me, seeing is believing. This is the Allurion gastric balloon. Can you see? It is filled with approximately 550 ml of a special solution. And how is it put? We don't need any anesthesia. We don't need any hospital admission. There are no cuts on the body. Absolutely, there is no invasion to the body. You come to my clinic, in 30 minutes, you go back to your home. Well, it sounds like magic, doesn't it? Let me show you. This is the capsule. This is the balloon. All that the patient has to do is swallow this balloon with a glass of water. Once this balloon goes inside the stomach, we do an X-ray. We just ensure that this is in the stomach. And then we inflate this balloon with the special solution, and this forms a space occupying thing in your stomach like this. Thereafter, we repeat an X-ray. Once we are satisfied that the balloon is in proper place, properly inflated, this thin catheter, and you know what is the best part? The weight loss journey starts immediately. The balloon stays in the body for roughly 16 odd weeks, or you can say 4 months. Thereafter, and whatever remnant of the balloon is there, it passes off in the stools. And most of the time, patients even don't come to notice that where did the balloon go. So it's that simple. Now you will ask me that how exactly it works. Well, you see, obesity, or what I should say satiety, food satiety, is directly proportional to the stretch in the stomach muscle. So for example, if you have a stomach which is already more than the capacity, which is the case in most of the obese people, they will feel satisfied over here for the food only once it is totally full. Let me not go into the exact figure, but just to give you an example. For example, you have a stomach capacity of 700 ml and you need food which is, say, around 500 grams. But you will feel full once you have filled up your stomach to complete 700 ml. And you already don't need that much of food. And if you eat less, which happens in dieting, throughout the time you are irritable, you are hungry, you are all the time feeling that I should have something to eat. That affects your well being, that affects your work, that affects your productivity. Now, once we inflate a balloon to 550 ml into the stomach, so whatever is the stomach capacity, at least 550 ml is reduced. So if you take, say, 150 to 200 ml more, you feel full. There is no hunger. There is no hunger pang. You don't feel like eating. So you eat less. Thereby, body needs energy because body is already big. So they start dissolving stuff from all over the body. A very simple example I can give you, that supposing your salary stops coming, how do you survive? You survive on your savings, which you have saved for a rainy day. So similarly, when body is not getting enough nutrition because you're eating less, it needs some nutrition. It will start dissolving the fat from all over the body evenly. And a day will come that the fat goes down, the body size goes down, and thereby whatever little food you are eating, that balances it off. So Allurion Balloon is an excellent method to kickstart your weight loss journey. The best part is there are very few contraindications to this. And since it is done as an OPD procedure, is hardly any time which is wasted. And the silver lining is that now even many insurance companies have started covering the cost for this. This balloon, once we put it, along with expert advice of the dietitians, you have a scale which is connected with Bluetooth, and you have expert dietitians to allow you to modify your diet, and they are monitoring your diet. Thereby, we get a wholesome weight loss. In case you are interested for any more information, please be free to ask us about it. Thank you.